Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video what I'm going to do is I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus in the white color. So basically I bought this because it is replacing my existing Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus that I have in Aura Glow color, which is right here. So what happened was on this one I accidentally installed the beta, so this now has some beta problems and crashes and bugs, so I am unable to use it as a daily driver properly. So let's unbox it and see what the white one looks like. The first thing is on the box, the S Pen is going to be in white. When you get the Aura Glow version of this phone, this pen is going to be the blue to reflect the actual blue S Pen. Now this one is going to have a white S Pen, so that's why you have the white thing over here. So let's remove the front panel here. And there's the phone sitting right inside. I'm going to remove it real quick. Let's grab it. And as you can see, it is in that gorgeous white color. And also, just one thing, I have been looking into getting the white color over the Aura Glow color for a while now, because even though the Aura Glow color is an amazing color, it is actually a fingerprint magnet, okay? As opposed to this one here, this is still shiny, but it's not as, the fingerprints are not as pronounced as when you get the Aura Glow color. So let's see what's in the box. You already know what's in the box, but we do have the charger, we have the cable, we have the AKG wired earbuds. So that's all we get in the box. So let's put that aside. And here we have our two smartphones. All right, let me remove the sticker right over here. All right, so that's the sticker gone. So that's the white version of the phone. And this one is the Aura Glow color of the phone. Now, again, I'm going to be very clear. This color is still an amazing color. And that's why I got this in the first place. But again, secretly, I've been desiring the white color for the fingerprints because I'm also used to the white phones more often than colorful phones. So now I have it. Obviously, they look exactly the same. But again, when I press on this, immediately picks up fingerprints. If I move this a little bit, you'll see all the fingerprint smudges and everything, as you can see. All right, so they're right there. With this one, it's going to be much harder to see them, so it looks much better and cooler. All right, so let's put this aside over here. And let's just set this up for the first time and end the video that way. I know a lot of people already have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10. Some people don't, so you can watch this video if you want to see how the first time setup process looks like. Alright, so the first time you turn on the phone, this is the screen you see. And I do want to let you know, on the top here, we have a voice option. And if you look on the top, we have a voice toggle here. You can turn this off if you want. If you don't want Bixby giving you voice instructions. If you do enable this, Bixby will also give you voice instructions to set your phone up. So let me just disable that, tap on Let's Go. There's no SIM card right now. I'm just going to agree to all these except for the ones that are optional. Okay, click Next. And then let's see, bring your old data for quicker setup. I'll let you know I like to set up brand new phones. I like to download apps and do all that stuff manually. So I'm going to skip this for now. But you could transfer from another device wirelessly or with a cable from iPhone or Android. So let's click Next on this one as well. I'm going to connect to my Wi-Fi. Let me dump in my password real quick. We are connecting. We should be good to go in a second. So we're good to go. I'm going to click on Next. All right. And then it's checking for updates. Takes a couple seconds here. And we are good to go. Now I'm going to dump in my Google account. So let me do that right away. All right. So that's all done as well. It's getting the account info. And we're almost done here. Alright, so I can also restore from a backup. I can also do that later in the settings, so I'm going to skip it for now. And I'm going to set a fingerprint, but because that's the way I like to unlock my phone, so I'm going to tap on fingerprints. I do have to pick a PIN number, so let me just pick a regular PIN number just for demonstration right over here. Just 1111 for now. Okay, and here's the fingerprint option coming right up. So it's saying scan your fingerprint, so I'm going to scan this one right here. Alright. 18%, 26%, 32, 39, 46, 51. Just give it different portions of my finger here. When we come to 80%, it's going to ask me to put the edges of my finger. So let's just put the edges. Oh, now it's going to do the edges. So give it some of these edges over here for maximum recognition. Add another fingerprint. We can do that right now. I'm going to skip it for now. So let's click on Next. And let's see what's the next. So of course I'm going to be using my Google Assistant over here. I'm going to agree to just about all of these things except for this one, that's send usage and diagnostics data. click on accept, and it's adding the finishing touches. So I'm also logging into my Samsung account. I already dumped in my information, so I'm going to click agree right over here. And then we are almost done. It says all done. Click on finish. This is an unlocked version, so you don't get any kind of carrier bloatware, which is the way I like it. So here it is, guys. That's the phone. I'm sure a lot of you are aware of what's happening here. Let me just show you real quick. So basically, if I go all the way down to the software information, about phone, software information, you'll see this is One UI 1.5 and Android 9, while my other phone, my other Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, the Aura Glow version, has One UI 2.0 beta with Android 10, so it's real buggy right now, unfortunately. All right, let's go inside here. Let me just show it to you real quick. All right, tap on settings, go all the way down, tap on software, about phone, information. Look at that, we've got Android 9, as you can see. If I tap this, boom. If I tap this, boom. That's Android Pie. All right, so yeah. That was just a quick unboxing for you guys that care about these little things. Some people still already have the phone, some people don't. So hopefully this video helped somebody. And of course, real quick, here's the white S Pen that comes with the white version of the actual phone, which I like better than the blue color that we get on the Aura Glow. Even though the blue color matches up better with the Aura Glow color overall, I do prefer to have the white S Pen right here. So that's what we have right now. So the good news is, after everything is done, after the One UI 2.0 is officially released, I will most likely do a giveaway on this one right over here. For now, I need it to make videos on the beta, upcoming beta versions and updates and the finalization. But for now, I'm going to need it. But after everything is settled, it's going to be a giveaway. All right, guys, if you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. Also, let me know if you would prefer to get the white color over the Aura Glow color at all. Or do you like your Aura Glow color? All right, so I'm going to just dump in my SIM here and set this up for daily usage. Have a fantastic day, guys, all right? All right, so if you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH by clicking that button, and also click that bell icon on the side to make sure you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you do use Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, you can follow me at SAKITECH Online to get the latest updates as well. All right, have a fantastic day.